Hello! In this demo, we will understand how you can view an analytics report. To view an analytics report, navigate to the Intelligence module, select Analytics History, and select Analytics History V2. Once you select this, all the available reports will be listed here. These are all the different reports that you have access to. Now, depending on your persona and access in your organization, you will have visibility into different types of reports. Reports are also classified into different categories. So, suppose you belong to the operations team, the human resources team, or any specific application team. In that case, you might belong to that category, and then you can view the reports for only that category. Here, I have all of these different categories. Reports can be further classified into different subcategories. You can always filter them to view specific reports at a time. Now, let's see the reports. Here, at the top, I have a report with active external users with no access. So, I can simply click on it, and this shows me all the active users without access. So, this is the list of users. On the left, I can see a few options to filter the user details based on username, email, first name, last name. Here, I can perform a few actions like exporting the report. So, you can export the report in CSV or Excel format. Let's look at some other options here. So, I will go back to the Analytics History. Here, some of the other options are like active users found within active managers. This is a very important report from an HR perspective. As you can see, this is the list of users with inactive managers. You can always filter them based on this criterion, like let's say finance. So, I want to see all the users in finance with inactive managers. This has been filtered over here. Then we can take action to export this and save it on our local machines. Let's look at one more example. Let's scroll down here. I have a report for privileged requests submitted. This report will show me all the requests that have been submitted for privileged access to various applications. You can see the request type, the session start and end dates, who requested it, the email, and the details of the request itself. You can scroll to the right and view further details here. You can also filter based on all of these different criteria. The filters will be specific to specific reports depending on the data that we are showing in that report. You can also export this report. So, these are all the different types of reports that are available. Saviynt provides several out-of-the-box reports that can be run and viewed according to your requirements. You can also download them to view later. This brings us to the end of this demo. Thank you.